How to find Buffalo Wild Wings gift card customer support information. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open gift card page of Buffalo Wild Wings. Here, scroll down, you'll find gift card FAQs. Here, you'll find different information. As you can see, how can I replace a lost or stolen? You can send the details about your lost or stolen gift card to Buffalo Wild Wings @wgiftcard.com. And also you will need an original proof. And to contact, if you have a question or complaint, you can email that number and email the email as well. And will my gift card ever expire or lose value? Don't worry, Buffalo Wild Wings gift card never expire or lose value until you use them as well. And there is also customer support mail given. You can mail them in that as well. And this is how to find Buffalo Wild Wings gift card customer support information. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.